What are the economics of a home soda machine versus plastic bottles? We're looking at the half-liter 16.9 single serve size. So our key question here, how long is it going to take for the home soda machine to be more economic than buying single serve plastic bottles? Let's take a look at the cost of the soda machine in terms of creating half-liter serving sizes. So we have the initial cost of buying the soda machine. So that first half-liter drink you buy is going to cost you like $180 essentially. But as you can see, that drops down quite quickly as you create more and more drinks at home. However, you do have to buy flavor refills about every 36 liters or so. So we see this occasional increase in price per serving, but that again quickly goes down. And finally, less frequently, you'll also have to buy the CO2 to keep yourself going. So this is what the overall cost per serving looks like over time. Now, if we compare that to the total cost of buying bottles over time, we can find our break-even point. So here's the total cost as you drink more and more servings at this half-liter serving. So you can think of this as 100 bottles. This is what the cost of buying 100 bottles would be, and this is what the total cost of buying the soda stream plus your refills as needed would be, and at 200, 300, etc. So we can see the cost of the soda stream, the home soda machine, is very high in the beginning, and there are occasional increases as you have to get those refills, but the trajectory is lower than the linear trajectory of just buying bottles, which are essentially more or less always going to be the same price. We priced out a 6-pack here, which is close to $5 per 6-pack. So we can see that around 400, 500 servings, these are rough estimates, we're going to reach our break-even point, where after that, every drink you have after that coming from the soda machine is certainly going to be less expensive. It's going to cost about $350 before you get there, regardless of which way you go. But after those $350, you can start saving if you're using a soda machine. So let's look at the breakdown of this. Essentially, to get to our break-even point, our economic break-even point of about 216 liters, you're going to have to buy 72 packs. So you're going to have to buy about 432 bottles if you're going down the route of drinking bottles. Now, to produce the equivalent of 432 bottles with a soda stream, you'll have to get the starter pack, which is about $160. You have to get 6 refills along the way. This is the fourth pack of the refills, and then you'll have to refill your carbon, your CO2 once, all of that totaling out to about $313. Reach these 216 liters if you're drinking that much soda, 432 bottles worth over time. How long is this going to take? Well, take a look at some scenarios. If you're drinking only 1 bottle per week, then it could take you about 8 years to be more economic through a soda stream. If you're drinking 1 bottle every other day, it'll only take you about 4 years, but still quite a long time. And if you're drinking 1 bottle every day, it'll take you about 1 year and 2 months. So clearly, the more soda you drink, the more bottles you drink per day, the faster you're going to reach that break-even point.